All right. Hello, everyone. Today, we are just going to show you how to take one of your DTF transfers that you've ordered from transfergang.com, fresh out the mailbox. We're going to be pressing one of these onto a t-shirt today, just so that you know how to do it at home with your own heat press. We're starting off by just going and ironing with the heat press real quick, just to make the surface a little bit more flat, make it a little bit easier for your transfer to align where you'd like it. We're just going to pat that down. As soon as it is flat and good to go, we would recommend just aligning your t-shirt or whatever apparel it is that you're using, just so that you can keep it consistent whenever you're adding your design to the front of it. So adjust the shoulders, center the collar, get everything ready for your design so that it may be even. Then whenever you're ready, just go ahead and place that onto your shirt and keep it centered. A good rule of thumb is using about 3 fingers from the collar of whatever apparel that you're choosing to use. Of course, this doesn't work for pants or tote bags, but for those, you can just align them however you like. The settings we're using today is 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds at a time. Now, whenever you're pressing this, all that you need to do is just put it down in one location. If your transfer's too big, you can just hold it on one half of your design and press down firmly for those 30 seconds. Okay, and as soon as that time is up, you just lift straight off and press right back down and start those 30 seconds one more time. We recommend against doing circles or doing any kind of like circular motions with the press. Instead, it's better to just go straight up and straight back down. That keeps your design aligned and it keeps it from like curling anywhere or coming up off of your apparel. As soon as that 30 seconds is done, go ahead and set your heat press aside. Do note that this is going to be very, very hot. However, you can peel these transfers whenever they are hot. We would recommend you just give it a moment so you don't accidentally burn yourself. Now, once that is enough that you can touch it, you can go ahead and just pull off the DTF sheet from your transfer. And there is your design. Look at that t-shirt. That looks awesome. Everything's flat. It's smooth. You can stretch this. You can wash this. You can do anything that you'd like. And we really hope that you enjoyed watching our DTF transfer tutorial.